Hello, welcome to 6th grade science here at Chippewa Middle School. My name is Heidi Johnson, and I'm excited to tell you what this class will be like next year. Currently, there are 3 of us that teach 6th grade science, so I am pictured here along with Brent Crooks and Liz Tuma. We are really excited about science next year because our shift is going from physical science to earth science. So currently, earth science is taught at the 8th grade level, and it is going to be in 6th grade next year. So I am super excited. I've taught both 6th and 8th grade science, and I find that the topics in earth science are really, really fun to teach and are really fascinating, and the students are always excited to learn about a lot of the topics that we cover in earth science. So what are those topics? So the topics that I'm going to talk to you briefly about include, as you'll see on the slide, but they're not limited to, geology and geological time. So for example, students are going to learn about the analysis of rock formations and fossils and how they help us learn and understand some of the major events that occurred in Earth's history. We're also going to teach, and you're going to learn about Earth's system and processes. So for example, students will learn about the processes that form fossils, continents, and various landforms. You're going to learn about astronomy and our solar system. And so I always find that students are really excited to learn about that space science and not only planet Earth, but our other planets that are in our solar system, like how far are they away from Earth, how close are they away from the sun, why are there not like human life forms on the different planets, like what makes those planets different than Earth, and what makes them unique. So it's a lot of fun. We're going to learn about Earth's place in our universe. So for example, we're going to use observations of the moon, constellations of other planets in the night sky to help understand what our planet Earth, like what is Earth's place in the universe. We're going to learn about processes of Earth's movements. So how Earth's movements affect our seasons, climate, different weather patterns, like our changes in weather. We're going to learn about or teach you meteorology, weather, and water. And lastly, you're going to learn about climate change and human impact. So in addition to these topics, because we're going to be teaching science and you're going to be learning it through phenomenon-based learning, there are going to be a lot of other topics that we're going to learn about. And those topics are going to be generated by your observation and your own like looking into some of these subject areas. So your natural curiosity is going to lead and direct a lot of our teaching that's going to take place. So you're going to see on the next 2 slides some of our learner outcomes that we are going to have your students meet in our earth science course. So I'm just going to give you a few seconds here to read through those. Students are going to be able to do these through phenomenon-based learning. And how they are going to meet those learner outcomes are by a wide variety of different activities. And so we'll be doing a lot of hands-on investigations, a lot of labs that are teacher-led as well as student-led. And so as students start generating their own questions and want to find out the why to their questions, they'll be allowed to generate activities as well. We'll be doing some virtual labs and activities, group and individual-based inquiry projects. Students will be researching individually and in groups. We're going to apply real-world applications to the content. We'll be using critical thinking to pose questions and solve problems. And lastly, the students will be coming in with science skills that they already have, and we will be adding to their skill set skills such as observation, inference, measuring, calculating, and analyzing. And so we are very excited that you're going to be part of Chippewa next year. Our science teachers here at Chippewa Middle School would like to welcome you. We are excited to teach this fascinating subject, and we're looking forward to going on this adventure with you. Thank you for listening to the presentation, and have a good night.